coming to you live from Kscope 2018 here at Walt Disney World in sunny Orlando, Florida. I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Developer Community, and my guest is Dimitri Gielis. Dimitri, welcome.
Thank you, Bob.
So you have, I'm looking at my cheat sheet here. You've got 2 sessions at this event. You have developing Apex apps in 2018, which naturally leads into bringing virtual reality and augmented reality to Apex. So let's talk about developing Apex apps in 2018. What will you be covering in that session?
So I just delivered the session actually.
Okay.
And what I covered there is like the new way of developing Apex applications today. And you can be way more productive than any other year before. So I will show you how to create a data model really fast with quick SQL. Then I will go and tell you how to do the Apex application by using the new blueprint feature that just came out 2 weeks ago. And then how you can enhance the Apex application further.
How has it changed? What is the major difference in developing Apex apps this year compared to last year?
So the major difference is that the Oracle development team, the Apex development team, all the things that you do before and you do it multiple times, they automated the whole thing.
Okay.
Like you have now the autonomous database. In a way you have like Apex is doing the same thing. They are trying to automate a lot of things. They are not learning yet from what we are doing, but they look at the community and every developer is doing things in certain ways. So all that functionality they bring into Apex and they call it features, and you can just enable a box and the feature is there, so you don't have to code it anymore. So it's really a fast way. So what took us before maybe like a few hours till a day to develop is now a matter of 1 minute.
Wow.
So that's changed a lot, but if you don't know that it exists, then you don't use it.
In all that automation without putting somebody out of a job.
No, we can deliver applications faster. We can do more for like, yeah, it's better. It's a good thing. It's
now let's talk about the connection between Apex development and virtual reality and augmented reality. That clearly is a fascinating subject and very timely. What's the connection?
Okay, so I love doing research and development. So when you look at AR and VR, those are like the new trending things today. So what is interesting there is like you have specific kits to develop AR, VR. So virtual reality is like you put a class, like you see a virtual world. Augmented is like you see the real world, but you augment it with certain features. So if you want to bring those concepts to Apex, so what does that mean? Like you need to bring those concepts to the internet, to a web page, and that's where like the Googles, the Mozillas, the Facebooks of this world, they try to do that. So when I saw that AR and VR is trending now, and I see those bigger companies trying to get it on the internet, on the web pages. For example, with Facebook, you can have a profile and you can augment your profile picture with like hearts or something like that.
Right.
So I thought, well, can we not do something like that with our Apex applications? And that's basically the topic that I will show, like all the research I did in that area, how you can use certain frameworks that came out and help you in Apex. So I'll try to bridge the gap. And it's I think there's a huge opportunity there. And it's not necessarily, it's just the concept of AR that you bring into Apex. So it's, it's not specific Apex.
For the benefit of the people who aren't at this event, have you blogged on that? Is there an online resource that people can see some of that?
Not yet, but I have a blog which I update frequently. So I will definitely put that on there. But
so we can expect to see some of that.
Yeah, but to give you an idea, so you have to submit for this conference almost like 8 months or almost to a year before. So I submitted this topic quite a long time ago, and I started to do the research already a bit before that. But those things are so new that what I thought I would use at that time changed. Like
Okay.
WebXR, for example, WebAR, those APIs, they are still undergoing a lot of change. So I had to change a lot of things. So I didn't put it on the blog yet because I'm not sure yet I'm still learning a lot myself. So
Yeah.
I might educate the people who read my blog in a wrong way.
Well, and the technology is clearly in a phase of rapid evolution right now because it's
Yeah.
so hot.
Yeah, and it's going extremely fast.
In the VR and AR session, what would you say is the key takeaway from that? The one thing that you want people to remember from that session?
That it's easy to add in your Apex application, and that you definitely want to think about bringing AR into, or when you know that it exists, you will be able to talk to business people about this. So the only thing that I want you to remember is that it's there and the use cases that I will present.
Well, thank you, Dimitri. This has been cool. That I'm really interested in seeing what you come up with in terms of the AR and VR stuff in particular, because it's such a hot field. If you're interested in more information by developers for developers, check out oracledeveloper.com. You'll find videos and articles and all sorts of content for developers. Also, check out Dimitri's blog. Obviously, he'll be posting some stuff about that, I'm sure. For the Oracle developer community, I'm Bob Rubart. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.